Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to use trend formula in Excel. The trend formula is used to predict future values based on the existing data. So, I will show you step by step how to apply this formula using this data set. So, we have month column and sales column. So now imagine we want to predict the sales of the upcoming months, like from October to December. So based on the trend formula, with the help of trend function in Excel, we can calculate a linear. We can predict a linear trend and extend it to the future values. So to use the trend formula, first of all, to use the trend formula, type trend. So the first argument is known wise. So our known wise is the total sales. So we will select our sales value, freeze the array, and the second argument is known x. So the known x is the months, and now freeze this array, and the third argument is new x. So we want to know the trend of the upcoming 3 months from October to December. So our new x is October to December, and now simply press enter, and here we can see that we have got the forecasted sales value for October to December month, and here we can see that the trend is increasing. So we can conclude that in the upcoming month our sales will increase because we have an increasing. Now we can see in this chart that we have an increasing trend for the sales. I hope this quick tutorial helped you understand how to apply the trend function in Excel. Thank you for watching this video.